earlier there used to be a link where you click on it and accept it, but I can't find that link, so I'm selecting BJP right now. That page, okay, which has that. Otherwise, have to search for it, and I will tell you where exactly you have to accept it after the class. Okay, I have to do a bit of research, uh, and I will help you with that. Next is budget. So budget is primarily how much money you want to spend on this particular ad set specifically. You can set up lifetime budget or you can set up daily budget. A daily budget can be as low as 40 rupees earlier. Maybe it will increase to 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 400 rupees. So it will depend. Like let me set up 40 rupees. It says that now I have to spend $1. I believe that is what it means. So 77 or 78 rupees you can set up a minimum budget. Okay. But if you look at when you set up a budget over here, you will see there is zero leads. Okay, that means you will not get a single lead. So whenever you are setting a budget, you keep consideration in mind how many leads you want. Let's suppose I want 10 leads, so I set up 1,000 rupees. In 1,000 rupees, it says 26 to 75 leads I can get. So that means if I need 10 leads, I will set up, let's say 500 rupees or maybe 300 rupees. On an average, I will get 10 to 15 leads according to them. Okay. 10 to 8 to 23 in between, average 10 to 12, I can set up 250 or 300 rupees of two. Okay. And based on that, I can change on daily basis my budget as well. Okay. Let's suppose I get 30 leads or 15 leads, but I want only 10 leads. So I will reduce my budget by one fourth. Let's say in this case, I will reduce it to 200. Then next option after that is ad scheduling can't be done as I have told you in optimization. If you set up a lifetime budget of the campaign, then only you can edit it. Otherwise, you can't. Okay, so let me show you how to do that as well. So let me select the lifetime budget. Okay, and then let me do ad scheduling. Okay. So I can set up that I want to run ads only on Mondays from let's say 10 p.m. to 7 p.m. Okay, I can do it for all days if I want. Okay, so between 10 p.m. to 7 p.m. it will work. Let's suppose you don't want on Saturdays and Sundays. Okay. You don't want to run on Saturday and Sunday, it's done. It's removed. So you will be running ads between 10 p.m. to 7 p.m. like that. It is as simple as that. Okay. If you want to run it odd times, you can define it whichever time you want. It's up to you purely. Okay. But as we are not running a lifetime campaign, we are running a daily budget campaign. So we don't need the ad scheduling. Okay. After that, the most important part comes. Is that part clear? Budget and scheduling, which I have shown you previously as well. Is that part clear to everyone? Okay. Perfect. Generally, businesses or most of the businesses run it throughout the day because nobody sleeps. Okay, your Facebook doesn't sleep, and it is not somebody is calling you. This is not a call campaign. So people generally run it throughout the day because most of the people are active after working hours only. So that's why you get maximum sale after that. So people generally avoid that. Okay, ad scheduling. Uh, Next is audience, which is the most important aspect of doing Facebook ad is because you can target a lot of things which you were not able to target in Facebook, and you won't be able to target in LinkedIn because there are a lot of things which you can target. Every single platform has its own advantage. The the differentiation point in all the platform is primarily the targeting. The targeting in Google was very precise in terms of search, but in terms of display, it is very vague. Okay, it's not does not give you a very good result. Okay, whereas in Facebook also does not give you very good results, but it is much better than the Google display campaign. Okay, the first option in targeting is location. So you can target the whole country. You can target specific city, like you want to target just Delhi. So you can just type Delhi and Delhi will be targeted. Or if you want to just target any specific location, so you can target that specific location only. Okay, it's not that big region you have to target. You can select. You want to just target 1 mile, so it will be targeting 1 mile only. Let's suppose our like Henry Harvin office is in Noida. So if I go in Noida, where is Noida? Okay, here is Noida. Okay, their office is somewhere near sector this. Also in COVID, so it doesn't make sense. But let's suppose their office is exactly here. So I can pinpoint their location and they will target uh, to people who are in that region only. Let's say 10 miles. 10 miles means 16 kilometers. You want that people from 5 kilometers should come. So you can select 3 miles, convert these miles into kilometers. 5 miles is 7.5 kilometers approximately. If you set up 3, then it will be approximately 5 kilometers. Okay, so you can set it up. You can set up the whole state. You can target, let's say you want to target Maharashtra. Okay, so you can target the whole state itself. You can target city, state, country, and pinpoint locations. If you want to target specific pin codes, you can't target specific pin codes. Like if I type 110033, they can't recognize. Oh, they have started. Great. Okay, this is a new thing which I am seeing is that pin code level tracking. Also, you can do it for 00. Yeah, Mumbai zip code you can target. Okay, so you can target now with the zip codes as well, pinpoint location, all the similar things which you see in Google AdWords. Okay, let me put India as a location right now because I want to show you numbers. Okay, look at this reach, potential reach is 290 million, approximately 30 CR or 29 CR. This audience you are targeting in India. Now, as we are talking about, let's talk about marketing a digital marketing course to entrepreneurs. So how to do it? Entrepreneurs generally become at the age of 25, and they generally people who actively look for it can are looking till the age of 45 primarily. Okay, this age group primarily majorly look for courses, because after that it's really difficult to learn courses. Okay, entrepreneur angle I'm talking about. Before that is a college growing student. Now next is gender. If you have a specific gender in mind, you can select that. But I don't think specific genders are required in India right now. It's more liberal. Next is how to target entrepreneurs. So you can type entrepreneurs over here. Entrepreneurship is their interest. Okay. So you can see almost 1 0 has gone. So from 29 crore to it has come to 3 crore, 2.9 crore people who are in this, who are interested in entrepreneurship. If you want to see all the categories, you can click on browse. Okay, and look at all the categories, their life events, their birthdays, their friends, close friends of men's birthday. Okay, you can look at their relationship, you can look at their work, you can look at their industry, which industry they are working in. Okay, uh, you can select, give me a second, you can select job titles like founder. Okay, so if their job title is founder, you can target them. If their target is co-founder, okay,